The Health Ministry reveals what is found so far as it probes the case of the woman forced to give birth on a sidewalk after a hospital refused to admit her. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the Electoral Office about whether it will be able to properly vet workers ahead of Election Day.
New perspectives on the future of local government reform.
What the JLP says about the fact of its prosperity plan should it lose a local government election.
And in business news, ganja growers and producers call for the medical profession to take steps to help develop a medical ganja industry.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
The police force has intensified its stop and search of students in Spanish Town to find criminals who it says are dressing up as school children. What's your view of that strategy?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.